Oh my god.
Mia, come here, big boyos.
Oh my god.
Get the cat, Mia. Get the cat.
Yeah, get the cat. You reward you with your bowl.
Hi.
Get the cat, Mia.
Go get Ty. Go get Ty.
Yeah, go get Ty.
Ty, you better behave.
You got the puppy.
Hi. Mia. Come here, Mia.
Come here, cutie pie.
Come here, Mia. Hi. Hi. What's wrong?
Ty, you better back at us now.
It's like, what the hell is that thing?
The door's already closed.
No, I opened this so Ty can get back up. It's okay. What?
Mia, Mr. Kyle.
Oh, don't fall off that face.
Don't follow me.
You fall.
By himself will bring the spirit closer while also retaining us more evidence. So we decided to put him in this chair while Nick and myself head to the 3rd floor of the mansion.
Alright, she went to get something to eat. They were ready. Yeah, she's gonna take eating breaks.
What?
She's gonna take eating breaks.
This is too funny.
Okay, I'm back. What do you want? What do you want? She'll hurt herself before she hurts the ring. What's up, puppy? Little belly.
What's your ropey wopey?
You don't let him go.
Hi.
Oh, she's doing what Sam was doing.
Yep.
This is too cute. She's doing all her little toys in.
I'm ready, man. All right, come on out.
This is so cute. It looks like a big pile of toys, including Mia.
I didn't want to do it up because I blacked out for a second, and then I don't know, man. I was freaked out, so I just stayed in the chair. Hey, man, good job, dude.
Super comfort.
Thanks, man. I guess. See you later. All right, sleep well. You do this probably, man. Yeah. We decide to return to the basement with our infrared digital still camera in hopes of capturing some visual evidence to go along with all of the intelligent responses we've been receiving through our spirit box. You were talking to us earlier. Are you still down here? Moving further
I just
into
can't
the
wait to put our
basement, we
power on.
discover this closet that has a crawl space that stretches out beneath the alley street. And earlier, when we were asking where the possible rape murder victim was buried,
Eating
this